Hello, everyone. This is John. By trade, I am a registered nurse, and I came across this program I was looking up ways to make money at home. In the beginning, I didn't know anything about Forex. I understood the concept of you have this much money, and say American dollars will give you this much money in Canadian dollars, about the exchange rate. But in this course, I've learned support resistance, Fibonacci retracements, moving averages, channels and trend lines, mindset, risk management, and candlestick analysis. There's a private student group that the founder, Saad Ali, actually will give you feedback on the lessons. The best thing about this course is it's free. It costs zero money. And if there's one thing I could say to you in these lessons, make sure that you know them. Don't go forward until you do. Good luck, everyone, and I hope you take advantage of this training. Have a good day.